Are you looking for a luxury feel bag at only a fraction of the cost? I'm Davida with WTI, and this Italian-made genuine suede hobo bag by TAKEASY will live up to your expectations and probably even exceed them. I was blown away when I received this bag. Its unique silhouette with the ring handles is stunning. The suede is very soft to the touch, and I was surprised that the size of the bag allowed me to fit a lot of items inside, including my 14-inch laptop, as well as a 32-ounce water bottle. Because of this, I was able to run out the door with everything I needed in just one bag. There is a zipper on top, so all your items will be safely stored. You can style the bag with a more formal outfit or dress down for an everyday look. This would be perfect for traveling, considering its size is comparable to a small backpack. So you can carry a good amount of items and things, but still look cute. I've already received so many compliments from my friends asking me where I got this, and I know this bag will become even more beautiful over time, as that's how beautiful handcrafted suede is. And that's my point of view.